Alright, here we are, St. Augustine, Florida. Whoa! Here we are, the update on Tropical Storm Beryl. About 9:30 here in St. Augustine, and here's the updates with Max here.
Over 28,000 people are currently in Jacksonville, are currently without power. Hopefully, soon, they'll get their power back. Also, Tropical Storm Beryl is about 3 miles an hour away from becoming a low-grade hurricane.
Category 1, yeah. And this maple tree in my front yard here, as you can see, the wind gust is blowing like hard on it. It's not that strong right now. We don't got much of the storm yet. We only got a couple bands coming through so far. We ain't got any rain right now, but oh, dang. And we'll give you another update around 10:30 or so. One more message from Max.
Thankfully, here in St. Augustine, Florida, we still have power. But then again, that could change. Once again, hopefully, the people over in Jacksonville will get their power back, and the bridges can come back down.
Alright, so we'll update you again around 10:30 tonight.